What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple step-by-step method on how to draw Pikachu from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left. Let's start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle on the top of each eye for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now along the bottom of the eyes, we move to the center and draw in the nose. Let's start with a straight line going across the top. Then from the sides, come down and in towards the center point. And we'll fill the nose in black. From the tip of the nose, let's step down, add a point. Let's draw the left side of the mouth. Coming down, and we'll bend that up. Go back to the center, come down, and then up towards the right. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the cheek, going out, come around, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, around, and then bend that in. Let's add those two circles for the cheeks, starting on the left side, going all the way around, and then back out, line that up on the right. Now I want to work our way up towards the ears. Starting back on the left, let's go up, and bend that in, and do the same thing on the right. Let's leave a gap and draw the top of the head. Starting over on the left, going up, across, and then down. Now I want to tuck the ears in behind the head. On the left side, let's step up, bend the ear going up, and then out towards the tip. Line that up on the right, going up, and then out. Let's go back to the side. We're going to work our way across the bottom. We're going to come down and start to bend that in, leaving a fold along the bottom. And do the same thing on the right. Coming down and then bend that in. Now I want to add that trim across the tip of the ears. Starting from the top, bend this out and then down towards the bottom. And then line this up on the right. And I'll fill the tips of the ears in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start just underneath the cheek. Let's bend the body coming down, bend this out, and then back down towards the feet. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. We're going to bend this down, out, and then down towards the same height. Now I want to layer the bottom of the feet on top of the body. So on the left, let's step down, bend this up and out towards the first toe. Let's round out the toe and come down and in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to step in, bend this up and then out, round out the toe, and then bend that back in. Let's layer two more toes in behind. We're going to start from the top, going up, and then bend that down. Let's do that again, going up, come down and in towards the heel, round out the heel, and then hook that back up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Starting from the tip, going up, and then down. Add the third toe, coming all the way around towards the heel, round out the heel, and then hook that back up. Now with the feet in place, let's move back in towards the center and draw the inside edge of the arms. From the bottom of the chin on the left, we're going to step down, bend the arm coming in, then come all the way down towards the tip of the first finger. Let's line this up on the right, coming in, and then down. Now I want to add 4 pointed fingers across the bottom. So we start with the first one, just bend this up. Let's add a B for the second finger. Add the third finger, Now I'm going to come down and then up towards the fourth finger. Do the same thing on the right. Add 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Let's round out the side of the arm. Going out and then up. Now from the inside of the heel, let's bend the leg coming in and then up towards the side of the arm. Now we're going to go in between and draw a straight line. Now I want to place the tail over on the right side in behind the body. So let's start from the side of the leg. Start by coming up and in. Angle this up and then out. And then angle this in towards the side of the cheek. Let's go all the way up towards the side of the head and draw a curve for the top of the tail, going up and then out towards the end. Then this down and then in. Now I want to work our way around the outside of the tail. So bend this in and then down to right about there. Angle this down towards the bottom. Now the gap is going to get narrower as you come back in, down towards the foot, and then angle this back in. Let's add that zigzag across the base of the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Pikachu from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.